Auto insurance can potentially be bothersome if you do not prepare yourself ahead of time. It doesn't have to be difficult, though. Do some homework so that you know if you are receiving enough coverage at a good price. The tips in this article will give you the insight you need to purchase the right policy. Do not pick the first insurance company you come across. Even though insurance companies all have access to the same information in your driving record, they use it differently to decide what to charge as an insurance premium. By shopping around, you can really save money. Avoid getting any infractions on your driver's license. Moving violations and traffic accidents will result in dramatically higher insurance premiums. Once you have something negative on your driving record, you may be able to lower your insurance by attending traffic school. There are many types of insurance policies available, and becoming familiar with them is worth your while. If you are just getting insurance on one car, there are still many things to consider. The legal costs associated with things such as serious injury or death in an accident you caused are covered by bodily injury liability policies. You should review all aftermarket equipment you intend to install on your car with your insurance agent, so that you can be sure it gets covered properly. You may put out $1,000 for a fancy stereo system for your car, but if the car is stolen, your insurance is only going to reimburse you for the $30 value they add to your car's actual function. It is a common misconception that the cost of auto insurance automatically drops as the driver reaches 25 years of age. The truth is that premiums start to decrease when a person reaches the age of 18, assuming that he or she is a safe driver. It's imperative that you obtain property damage liability when you purchase vehicle insurance. This coverage will include any damage you may have incurred during an accident. 47 states require this by law. This sort of insurance will protect you if you are involved in a crash. If you own a sports car, consider downgrading it to another model. Sports cars cost significantly more to insure than many others. You should stick with an average vehicle. Those with high-performance engines will be expensive to cover because they are involved in more accidents. Also, since sports cars are more often the target of theft, they are more expensive to insure. You should be aware that there are multiple kinds of insurance coverage so that you can be sure your policy covers the things you need. Liability only covers the damage you do to someone else and their property, whereas collision and collateral cover your property as well. In addition, you will need to carry insurance in case you get in an accident with an uninsured driver. As you can see, there is a lot more to auto insurance than most people think. Between your common sense and your research efforts, your diligence will pay off in the end when you have a policy that protects you and your vehicle properly. If you appreciate and implement what you have learned here, you can't help but find the perfect auto insurance. The following information is presented on the basis of my own experiences and research which I want to share with you. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.